after having seen which would go down as a rather difficult week, what kind of stocks come up on the charts, or you would advise to play positional trades for the next week?
Well, I've actually got two buys for next week, given how the market finished today. Not going too much on the short side because stocks have been falling for a while. The decliners have been down for 4 or 5 days, so it's better to look for stocks that have started to bounce back now. Tata Motors is the first on the list. This is a buy with a stop loss of 300, target of 317. The stock was being written off rather too soon yesterday, made a nice comeback today. So I think this is, when you get that sort of a setup, it does deliver good moves. Federal Bank is the other buy, stop loss of 495, target of 524. Banks, very much a divided field right now. Some banks are holding out, looking strong. In fact, some are still managing to tank. So if you're selective and with a bias towards the private banks, that should give you good results in banks as well.
Okay, Deepak and Prakash, we'll let you go with that. Thanks very much for joining us and giving us your perspective on trade in the coming week. Took some commodity trading ideas as well for the next week, and we have Manisha Gupta, commodities editor, as always, joining us with a quick perspective. Manisha.
It has been an eventful week, and if you look at the gold prices, those are headed for the biggest weekly decline in 2013. The strong economic data from US and China has led the money to other risky assets rather than gold. Also, even as you did see weaker GDP numbers coming in from Eurozone and Japan, even that has not encouraged much money coming in here. The bearish bets are the highest in last 1 year. That tells you that not too many people are bullish about gold prices. Also, biggies like Soros and Bacon have cut their holdings in ETFs, also putting pressure onto the prices. For the coming week, you could be looking at prices between 1620 on the lower side to 1660 on the higher side for gold. Talk about a gainer then, and the crude prices have continued their bullish run. 9th week of gains coming in for that one. The OPEC output cut is something that has been adding to premium. So has been the geopolitical concerns coming in from Middle East and Iran as well. Going forward in the next week, between $94 to $98 on the higher side is where you could see crude prices ranging within. The base metal price has been quite a mixed one in this previous week, and the strength may come in the coming week because of the Chinese coming back from the Lunar New Year holidays. So Monday participation is expected to be on the higher side. Also, zinc has been an outperformer, trading at a 17-month high. This is one commodity or one metal that most analysts are now betting on.